Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Penovich here. We're tracking some severe weather this evening, but the payoff for the severe weather is we are going to have a beautiful weekend with lower humidity. It is going to be gorgeous, but we've got to get through this evening. Severe thunderstorm watch for pretty much the whole area through 7 o'clock. Now, it's probably not going to last till 7 o'clock. I would expect most of these counties will be taken out as the line of storms pushes off to the south and east. So don't be surprised if we see the storms kind of move out and that watch canceled early. Where are the storms right now? As of this recording, you can see the scattered storms moving through. They are more scattered. They're not widespread. It's kind of what I showed you this morning in my vlog, that the more severe weather was going to be up here in parts of Virginia to our north. But we got to keep an eye on a couple of these storms. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iredell County moved down into the Piedmont. We're seeing a couple more storms develop in parts of the Piedmont. I'm going to look real quickly at the velocity data here. Have not seen anything that looks too crazy like yesterday with the downburst, but that's going to be the concern. Downburst and microburst with these storms as they're moving off to the south and east. So I'm going to put a track on this. So let me throw the radar up here and we'll show you what the radar looks like here over the next hour or so, because these storms are pushing southeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Let me show you the radar real quickly here. We'll stop it right here. But what I'm going to do is put a track on this leading edge. Let me get this up to 20 miles an hour. We'll put a track on the leading edge of these storms moving off in this direction just to give you a rough idea. So you can see Hickory between now and about 5:30. Morganton, the wave will be moving through there. Charlotte, probably 7 to 8 o'clock if it continues to move through. But remember, there's storms developing ahead of this. This is the main line. I would expect there will be scattered storms developing again ahead of it, like we're seeing already. You can see a couple of those popping up here and there through the evening hours. What's the main risk? Well, like we've seen the last couple of days, damaging straight line winds primarily our biggest concern as we go through the evening. So let's look at the short range rapid refresh here. I'll back it up. You can see the scattered storms. 6 o'clock, the line looks like it's approaching Charlotte. 6, 7 o'clock pushes through. By 7 o'clock, it's pretty much done, and we should be in the clear. So look at the timing again. Between now and let's say 7 o'clock, everything kind of clears out. And this is all because of a cold front, which is going to be sweeping through. And that cold front is going to cool us down into the mid and upper 80s, but more importantly, the lower dew points. This is going to feel amazing this weekend. Get out and enjoy it for Father's Day. Just a gorgeous weekend because next week, hotter air returns. And talking about dew points dropping, look at that, folks. That is amazing right there. I just want to circle it a million times because that is a crazy, crazy low dew point for this time of the year. So the weekend forecast, plenty of sunshine, not as hot Saturday, still no 90. Mid-80s though on Sunday. Comfortable, just beautiful conditions. But the heat returns. Heat wave backs up to the west this weekend. Look what heads our way next week. By Tuesday, it's over us. In fact, starting to look at some of the forecasts for next week. We'll start with Monday. I'm going to go out into the future here. You see the heat, not too bad there, 92-ish on Monday. Let's go to Tuesday, though. 103? Oh, my goodness, 105? That would be all-time record high territory. It's actually relaxed from some of the previous runs of the model. Then we go into Wednesday, 100 again. That is 109. No way. We're never going to get that hot, trust me. But 104 is the all-time record high. It just kind of shows you that the guidance is going super hot. 105 on Thursday. So we're looking at another heat wave next week. So just be prepared. This looks like a real doozy. I'll show you the 7-day forecast first. So let's show you the 7-day. We'll pause it right there for a second. Kind of take it in. I'm going to turn my camera off just so you can see the 7-day better. 7-day forecast shows that cooler weekend, near 90 tomorrow, but mid-80s Sunday, back in the upper 80s for Monday. But then next week, the heat really cranks up. And you can see as we go into next week, boy, that heat really decides to get going. And it's going to be a toasty week next week. So just be prepared. There it is. I got to fix it. I had a little jump there. Let me back that up. That was not really good. There we go. For some reason, it was like delayed in the update there. But you see the heat cranking up middle of next week, that Tuesday to Friday time frame. We're going to want you to be weather aware because that is another heat wave. Though I will tell you, this is going to be a drier heat next week. So we're not going to have the crazy high heat indices, but that's near record territory next week. And we have not hit 100 degrees, remember, since all the way back in 2015. Have a great Father's Day weekend. I will post updates on Twitter and Facebook through the evening. There will be some strong storms between now and about 7 p.m. Have a great night.